everyone, Anum here. Welcome to my condo tour. I'm so excited to bring you guys to my home. It's a small space here in Toronto because, hello, Toronto life and real estate is just insane, but we make it work. We have a 1+ den, and I live here with my husband, my dog, and our wonderful baby, Zach. We've been in this condo now for about 5 years. We've seen so many different changes in our condo, going from like just me and my husband to now having a baby. When I was pregnant, one of my first panic attacks was, oh God, we need to move like right now. And I was freaking out about it and I had nightmares. The more I talked to people, they were like, you don't need much space when you have a baby, especially like before they start walking and running around. And actually it's true. I love having a small space with a baby because I can see him literally everywhere. You probably hear Zach in the background. He is super excited for this condo tour. When you enter, this is our main door, and we don't really have like an entryway. I wish we did. We have a closet on this side, and then our bathroom is on this side right here. I'll show you guys the bathroom, so come on with me. This is our bathroom and my Barry's water bottle. Oops. James and I drink water all the time, so you'll often find water bottles all around our condo. Anyway, this is our little bathroom. We only have one in this condo, but it kind of works. Here we just have this piece here, which our landlord installed when he was living here, and it's so convenient because we just shove all of our skincare products here. I personally don't like to use air fresheners. Instead, I like to use a nice fragrance or perfume. So I got these from the brand Clean a while back, and they have warm cotton and fresh laundry. And every time someone comes to our condo, they absolutely love using these. They smell so good, and it's just like, it's not like a gross like fake flat floral scent. It's like just nice and like cottony and fresh. So I love having those up there for anybody who needs to use it. I don't know if you guys know, but if you ever have like tissue paper that's like rectangular, it is impossible to find a tissue holder. So what I did was I ended up getting a little basket for it, and it matches the decor in our bathroom and it works. So that's a fun little fact. Over here we just have a little storage unit thing.
We call the storage unit R2D2.
We've had it for a very long time as well, like basically 5 years, and it does everything for us. We have toilet paper in here. We have like emergency kit, like our band-aids, that kind of thing. All kinds of stuff is in there. This idea I got from my mother-in-law. She always has washcloths around her house, and I love that idea. Now that we have a baby, I feel like we just constantly need it on hand. So yeah, that's our little washcloth basket. This is our kitchen, and I love it so much. One thing to know about James and I is that we love to cook. James is definitely the chef, and I am more of like a baker, although I'm getting more into cooking. And so you will find appliances all over our kitchen. We have a little tray here, and this is like mainly because we don't really have an entryway, and you just need somewhere to stash like your cash, your sunglasses, your keys, mainly James's stuff, let's be real.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. There's a lot of my sunglasses.
We also keep like gum and just like things we need all the time, dog treats. I like it confined in like a little tray so it's not messy, and tissue paper. Okay, and then another odd thing we have is this Tupperware full of pacifiers. Really picky with his pacifiers. He doesn't like the Bibs USA ones, which are really expensive. And then what's the other one, James? The Wubba Nub. So Wubba Nub he has, and he doesn't ever use it. He likes the very like cheap, oddly shaped ones. So he likes this one. This is probably his favorite. And then this type of pacifier. So
and he definitely has a preference. Like
yeah.
This is, if we don't use this type of soother at nighttime, Zach will just basically yell at us.
Over here, this is probably one of my favorite furniture pieces. It's like probably like, I don't know, $10 or $20 from IKEA. I'm not even kidding. And people do all kinds of stuff. They spray paint it, but I like it silver because it matches our kitchen overall. We've got my beloved Instant Pot, our cookbooks. I have this sort of photo wall of photos from our wedding, and this is our engagement shoot. And then you come this way, and this is our lovely sink. Have a bunch of candles. So James and I love to use scented candles, especially as we're cooking and we don't want our place to smell gross. We also have salt and pepper shakers and our sugar, like, what's this called? A sugar pod?
Sugar jar.
Sugar jar. And then over here we have our coffee maker, soda stream, and just like a kettle, fresh fruit, veggies, whatever.
What are you making tonight, Anna?
I am making James chicken biryani and chicken karhai. So I'm really excited. I have made biryani a couple times now, and I make it in the Instant Pot. It just makes it so much easier, and it's so delicious. And I'm trying chicken karhai for the first time, so wish me luck. The rest of the counter is basically, we have our spices. So as I mentioned, we like to keep things kind of on the counter because we cook a lot, and it just inspires us too. So we have like our vinegar and the usual spices, and then in those jars we have things like rice, flour, sugar, salt, and then toaster.
This toaster is really important to our marriage because I get horrible anxiety in the morning if I'm making Anum toast. We had a 2-toast toaster for a while, and we had to get rid of it because I kept on like, oh, I want Anum's toast to be made last so that she has fresher toast, so it's warmer, and only I'm picky about that.
I think we did this for about 4 years. I'm not even joking. 4 years of marriage, we used like a very small old toaster that James had, and then finally I'm like, we were in Walmart, and I'm like, we're getting a 4-toast toaster right now. Or was it Amazon?
Yeah, I Amazoned it.
We listed it at Walmart, and then we didn't end up getting it, and James Amazon primed it like literally the next day. Then over here, okay, I love this. I think that, I mean, a lot of people may find it cheesy or whatever, but I love a fridge that has like memories and fun stuff on it. It makes me feel so like warm and gushy inside. Gushy? Mushy?
Both work.
Both work. We have magnets from all of our travels. And then this one is actually our hospital where Zach was born. So we kept that there. You guys can hear him in the background. He's probably like, yeah, that's where I was born. Photos from like, you know, our family. This is, James runs a lot of like half marathons, 10Ks and stuff like that. So this was his latest one. Now we're in my favorite little space, and this is what I call the beauty den. This is where all the work happens, makeup happens, inspiration, creativity, all that jazz happens right here. This is my working desk / makeup vanity. I came up with the concept a few years ago when I was like, I want to do everything in one spot, and it has worked out really well for me. I've added things along the way, but I really like it. On this side, we have my wall. This is what I use for filming my makeup tutorials or, you know, other YouTube videos. Anytime I need kind of like a blank wall behind me, this is what I use. These are my lights, my equipment, pretty basic. I just kind of slide it out and like set this up. And this is just
it's an AV cart.
Yeah, so we have like my equipment here. I usually have like beauty products and stuff stored in here that I want to film next or whatever it may be. It could probably be a little bit more organized, but one day. This is our laundry, our in-suite laundry. On to the living room. I'm just excited about every room. I don't know why.
Well, Zach is playing with the tripod. This is how we're shooting today.
Hi, Zach.
Yay.
Yep. This is what we're doing.
He was being a bit noisy earlier, so we gotta, you know.
We got him in the carrier. This is where James and I and Zach hang out for the most part. Like, we're always in the living room, so we just have to make it suitable for that. So we've got these floor tiles here from Skip Hop. And I was so hesitant about getting floor tiles, you guys. I didn't want to do it. I was like, no, I don't want to be that mom. But I caved because Zach was literally falling everywhere and hitting his head over and over again. And I'm like, okay, I can't like concuss this kid. So I ended up getting them every day, like multiple times a day. He uses his exerciser. This is also Skip Hop. And then This is a VTech table, which he also loves, and he just kind of like stands around here and plays with it. Over here we have our dining table, and we play around with how we lay it out. So sometimes we lay it out this way and we have extra chairs on the ends. Right now I feel like this is the best situation because Zach has all this crawling playing space, and normally this area is full of toys, you guys. Like, we cleaned up for you. This little chair is amazing. It can go anywhere, which is so great. And Zach can sit with us while we all have dinner or lunch or whatever together. This is our TV entertainment area. We decided to actually recently buy this because we loved the storage option here. I'll show you guys something. Come. This is where we hide all the baby toys.
This just goes all over the floor.
Yeah.
The second we're done this video,
it's going on
the floor.
Yeah, but what I really like is that every night after Zach goes to bed, we actually clean up our living room space and make it really nice and, like, I don't know, adult. Until the next day when we start bringing out the toys again. Over here, I really like this piece and I like how it turned out. So we have 4 storage cubbies down here. Just more Zach stuff, I'll be honest. Like, it's like his carriers, his more toys, just random Zach things, and then these are board games. This is decorations from actually our wedding that I can't let go of. So I just keep them here like this, and they just look pretty. It's like pretty color fall stuff. Here we have a photo of me, James, and Zach. I love it so much. And then this is Zach's like first photo ever from the day he was born, December 26th. This is where we keep our stroller and our car seat. On this side, we have our couch. We have so many Zach milk stains on here now. We have like spilled drink stains. Like, you guys, this couch has been through hell and back. James and I basically live here. So, that's okay. When we move, we'll buy a new couch, but right now it does the trick. This is a recent addition. I had this idea a long time ago to put some of our travel photos up. James and I try to do one big trip every year. So this is like a sample of that. We have actually the Lovelock Bridge from Paris, and that's when, similar to when we announced our pregnancy. So there's like our little lock.
It's the same day. Yeah,
it's the same day. It has written James, Anum, +1. And then this is a photo I took in Nice, France. And then over here we have Lisbon, Portugal, one of our favorite cities ever. And this is actually from our honeymoon in Jamaica. And I just really like it with the 2 seats. I am going to take you into our bedroom, and this bedroom is mine, James's, and Zach's. We've got a little nursery in there, so come along. We share our room with Zach, and it actually works out perfectly because when he was a newborn and we needed to check on him every, hour, 2 hours, it was amazing. Like, we would sleep and he would be right beside us in his playpen, so worked out perfectly. We decided on a playpen instead of a crib because playpens we just found were a bit more versatile. Like, we can literally pick this up like so quickly and move it to the living room if we need to. We can take it outside when we go like to a cottage or whatever. We can literally bring this with us, whereas a crib is a little bit harder. And also when we move, we will likely not be using a crib and we'll transition him into a bed, into a toddler bed, I guess. So it just didn't make sense for us to buy a crib for only like such a short amount of time. I never really had a theme for a nursery, although I did want to stick to this like gray overall bedroom, like a gray white sort of thing with hints of gold. So that's kind of what we've done. White bedding I'm a huge fan of, so I love that. This wreath is really interesting, and you guys, James actually made this for me. So funny story, I bought this wreath off Etsy and I thought that it was gonna come constructed, like very cool, and I just like plop it on the wall. Nope, I actually accidentally bought the DIY kit, so I got James to create it for me and he did a great job. This over here is a little basket full of baby like washcloths and sleep sacks and things like that. This is basically Zach's dresser, and like all his clothes, everything fit in here, which is perfect. Up here we have a sample of Zach's books. He actually has tons of books. This is just like our little setup. We have the monthly like milestone thing over here that I use for his photos. A couple of photos of him. I love this one. Such a happy little guy. He's always like this outside. He loves being outside. We've got baby Zach Sunnies, his hat, some more books, and then this is just like his little emergency kit here. We have, you know, tempura and like other like medicine and stuff. We have a steamer. This is another like amazing birthday gift that James got for me a few years ago. I use it all the time, but I think James uses it more than me.
I do, 100%.
This is Zach's diaper caddy, which you guys have seen a lot of probably on my channel, but it fits all of his diaper-esque things, and we move this around our condo. And just a collection of photos here. Drawing thing of me and James from Fashion Week a few years ago.
The last Fashion Week.
Yeah, that was literally the last one I went to, actually, I think. I loved it. I loved the girl who did it, did a really great job of like whatever we were wearing. And then this is me, James, and Zach. This is a photo of James and I. We were wedding guests at my friend Nicole and her James's wedding, and we loved this photo. And then this is one of our maternity shoots that we did. We had Zach around the holidays, like Christmas time, so I thought it would be fitting to have the holidays incorporated in our maternity shoot. So yeah. Oh, I have to tell you guys about this. It is actually like super filthy now, but we have this Sheridan duck, and I'm pretty sure we named it Duck.
Yep.
And when James and I like first started dating, and like maybe a year into our date, into like being in a relationship, we were once at like the Sheridan bookstore, gift store, whatever, and James picked this up and got it for us, and it's our little pet. Almost as old as our relationship.
We traded Duck in different times, so I'd move back to Ottawa, I'd take Duck with me, and then I'd give Duck back.
Yeah, cute little guy. We did this like a long time ago, and I thought it was genius. Is we got these rods from HomeSense. I love them. They're actually like arrows. We have our hats and belts on them. When we decided to have Zach's nursery in the same room as us, we did have to sacrifice a side table, which actually used to go here. And I think we had a lot more plants too, right? Like we had a really big plant in that corner.
Yep.
And it looked similar but different. And then we decided to just take all this extra stuff out and create this space, and I love it so much. Thank you so much for coming along on our condo tour. Stay tuned for our patio reveal. I'm so excited to show you guys. Our patio looked disgusting for years and years, and now it looks beautiful, and we use it all the time. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.